Hello my dear students, welcome to my class again. Students, in the previous audio clip we have discussed whatever we have done so far in the first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery, of your English supplementary book Footprints Without Feet. Now we will continue with the remaining part of the chapter. So let's start it. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Students, here gleaming means shining. And black metal drew, here black metal drew means gleaming black metal drew, that means his shining black car, her shining black car drew outside the surgery. When the doctor, Mr. Harriet, called the owner of the dog, Mrs. Pumphrey, then within 15 minutes means 15 मिनट के अंदर ही उनकी ब्लैक चमचमाती हुई शाइनिंग कार सर गेट के बाहर आके खड़ी हो गई थी, हॉस्पिटल के गेट के बाहर आके खड़ी हो गई थी. द chauffeur students here means the person who drives the motor vehicle or car, you can say the driver also. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. When the chauffeur opened the door, the driver opened the door, and when the doctor saw Mrs. Pumphrey, and he can easily figure out that she was lost in the interior of the car. She was lost. She was praising his car's interior. Wow, my car is so pretty from inside also, so gleaming, shining, and she was lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Tightly clasped here student means बंधे हुए होना, seized. This clasped means एक दूसरे को जब हम फोल्ड करके टाइट बांध के रखते हैं तो it was that means clasped in front of her. उसके हाथ उसके आगे, दोनों हाथ बांध उसने टाइट पकड़ के रखे हुए थे. Her lips trembled means to shiver, कांपना. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? So she was, she clasped her hand in front of her, and then her lips were trembling, and with the trembling lips she asked from Mr. Harriet, oh, Mr. Harriet, please tell me the truth that my dog is really better. क्या मेरा डॉग वास्तव में सच में ठीक हो गया है? ये उसने कांपती हुई आवाज़ में पूछा, और हाथ उसके बंधे हुए थे एक दूसरे को कस के हाथ फोल्ड कर रखे थे उसने अपने दोनों हाथ. Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. Then Mr. Harriet replied that yes, your dog is fine and you don't need to come out from the car. I am going and bringing him. Fetch him means to bring him from wherever he was. He was inside the hospital, so he said you just wait inside the car, no need to come out of the car, and I am going and bringing him. I walked through the house into the garden, and then he walked through the house. पूरे घर के अंदर से होता वो गार्डन में पहुंचा. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round. A mass of dog hurtling. Mass means पूरे का पूरा, जो वहाँ पर दूसरे डॉग्स भी थे तो उनका पूरा झुंड. Hurtling here students, hurtling means running with speed. They were in the garden, so पूरा का पूरा झुंड, they were running in speed, they were enjoying, they were playing there. Round and round the lawn and in their midst, और उनके वो लॉन के बगीचे के बीच में वो राउंड दौड़ रहे थे. एंड इन देयर मिडिस्ट, उनके बीच में, उन सब के बीच में, ईयर्स फ्लैपिंग ईयर मीन्स वेविंग, उसके पंख हिलते हुए वेव कर रहे थे, फड़फड़ा रहे थे. कान फड़फड़ा रहे थे. टेल वेविंग, और पूँछ हिल रही थी. वॉज द लिटिल गोल्डन फिगर ऑफ ट्रिकी. When the author walked through the house and he reached to the garden, he saw that mass of dogs, other dogs, उनका पूरा का पूरा झुंड, they were just running round and round of the lawn, and in their midst, उनके बीच में, उन सब के बीच में अपने कानों को हिलाता हुआ, अपनी पूँछ हिलाता हुआ सुनहरे कलर का ट्रिकी, फिगर ऑफ ट्रिकी, उनका ट्रिकी उन सब के बीच में था. In 2 weeks he had been transformed into a lithe Elite means flexible, elastic or flexible, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. So, students, when he was brought to the hospital, he was overweight due to the over pamperedness and overeating. He was overweight, he was not even able to walk properly. But in these 14 days, he went when he reached to the hospital, he was not well in condition. But in these 14 days he recovered very well. He lost his weight, he became very flexible, very quick, active, हार्ड मसल एनिमल. उसकी जो मसल्स थी वो भी टाइट हो गई थी, बिकॉज व्हेन ही वाज ब्रॉट इनटू द हॉस्पिटल ही वाज फ्लफ़ी, मीन्स बहुत मोटा था. ही वाज ओवरवेट, लाइक अ ब्लॉटेड सॉसेज, फूला हुआ हर जगह से. पर अब इन 14 दिनों में वो बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल हो गया था, बहुत ही लचीला हो गया था और उसकी मसल्स टाइट हो गई थी. ही वॉज कीपिंग अप वेल विद द पैक, स्ट्रेचिंग आउट इन ग्रेट बाउंड्स, ही चेस्ट ऑलमोस्ट वो ब्रशिंग द ग्राउंड. फ्लेक्सिबल हो चुका था, उसकी चेस्ट बिल्कुल ग्राउंड में हो, तो उसकी जो लेग्स थे उसने स्ट्रेच कर रखे थे और उसका चेस्ट जो था बिल्कुल ही ग्राउंड से टच होने वाला था. मीन्स ही वॉज बिकम अ फिट डॉग. फ्रॉम अ फैट डॉग ही बिकेम अ फिट डॉग. ही हैड बिकम अ फिट डॉग नाउ. I carried him back along the passage. Passage here means गलियारा, जिसको हम दरिया sideways in English we can say, and गलियारा in Hindi we can say. Passage to the front of the house, और उसको अपने साथ लेता हुआ I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. घर के सामने आ गया वो. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and in this meanwhile the chauffeur was still holding the car door open. उसने अभी भी ड्राइवर ने कार का दरवाज़ा खोला हुआ था और उसे पकड़ा हुआ था. And when Tricky saw his mistress, and the moment Tricky saw his owner, mistress Malkin here means mistress here means Malkin, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap. एक बहुत ट्रेमेंडस, स्टूडेंट्स हियर मीन्स विशाल, ह्यूज जंप, एंड लीप हियर मीन्स जंप. तो जैसे ही ट्रिकी ने अपनी मालकिन को देखा, उसने द नरेटर, द डॉक्टर मिस्टर हैरियट, ही वॉज इन द लैप ऑफ मिस्टर हैरियट, एंड ही टुक अ ट्रेमेंडस लीप एंड सेल्ड इनटू मिसिस पम्फ्रीज लैप. और सीधा बहुत लंबी जंप ली, उछाल मारी और सीधा मिसिस पम्फ्री की गोद में जाकर बैठ गया. She gave a startled oh, and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her. She gave a startled here. What is the meaning of startled here? Means she was surprised to see. And then had to defend herself. मतलब उसको अपने आप को बचाना भी पड़ा, because Tricky was overjoyed, so much excited, and he was just jumping, and he would have swarmed over her. As he swarmed, मतलब उसके ऊपर कूद गया, झपट्टा सा मारा, and licking her face. Tricky started licking face of Mrs. Pumphrey and barking, and चिल्ला रहा था, भौंक रहा था. He was just barking and भौंक रहा था, उसको चाट रहा था, because he was very happy to see his mistress after 14 days, and so does Mrs. Pumphrey also. But she has to defend, because she would have got hurt also in that process, because Tricky was overexcited. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats and bowls, none of which had been used. During that excitement, during that meet of the owner and the dog, both were very excited, very surprised, and in that period of time, the narrator helped the driver to bring all the stuff of Tricky, like beds, bowls, cushions, coats, etc., which none of which had been used. उनमें से कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं किया गया था उसके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. वो सब सामान वापस लाया गया, एंड नरेटर ने उस ड्राइवर की मदद की सारा सामान वापस लाने में, बाहर लाने में. एज द कार मूव्ड अवे, जैसे ही कार आगे गई, मिसिस पम्फ्री लीन्ड आउट ऑफ द विंडो. मिसिस पम्फ्री ने खिड़की के बाहर झाँका. लीन्ड आउट ऑफ द विंडो, शी ब्रॉट हर हेड आउट ऑफ द विंडो, एंड झुकी, खिड़की की तरफ झुकी. टीयर्स शोन इन हर आइज, टीयर्स वर शाइनिंग, मतलब आंसू चमक रहे थे उसकी आंखों में. हर लिप्स ट्रेम्बल, और उसकी जो लिप्स थे, होंठ, वो कांपते हुए होठों से उसने कहा, उसकी आंखों में आंसू थे जो कि चमक रहे थे मोती की तरह, एंड उसके होंठ थरथरा रहे थे, कांप रहे थे. Oh, Mr. Harriet, she cried. She almost cried and said, Oh, Mr. Harriet, how can I ever thank you? मैं आपका शुक्रिया कि how can she ever say thank you, or what can she do to say thank you to Mr. Harriet? This is a triumph of surgery. She said that this is a triumph of surgery. यह है पूरी whatever process you have done, it is a victory of that. ये triumph है, उसकी जीत हुई है सर्जरी की. सर्जरी, whatever treatment the doctor has given to Pumphrey, this is the victory of that treatment. This is a triumph of that surgery. So student, this is chapter here is completed. I would like to tell you the last page in a brief. If we go through that, when Mr. Harriet went to the garden behind the house, he saw all the dogs moving around in the garden, and Tricky was sitting between them. He had recovered much wonderfully. In 2 weeks he was looking much healthier, playing with the other dogs, and his chest was touching the ground. He had become a good muscular dog within 2 weeks. When Mr. Harriet took Tricky to the front of the house, he saw that the chauffeur was still holding the door of the car. And as soon as Tricky saw his mother like mistress, he was overjoyed. He ran away, jumped into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey, and started licking her face, barking in excitement. While all this was happening, the chauffeur and Mr. Harriet got all the stuff out to the car, which had not been used during the treatment in the last 14 days. When Mrs. Pumphrey was leaving, she leaned out of the window and said to Mr. Harriet with tears of joy in her eyes, and she was trembling, her lips were trembling, and with that trembling lips she said she could not thank him enough for what he had done. This is a triumph of surgery, meant that the treatment that had given to Tricky had been successful. So students, this was the chapter we have completed, and that is it for today. Tomorrow we will continue with the discussion of summary, message, theme, and the question answer. So till then, thank you.